Hi guys, here's another practical example of why having only one ad group per campaign can save you so much money on Amazon. So you probably keep hearing about is that the campaign structure is very important and that you need to have single ad group per campaign and then only a certain number of keywords per ad group. So today I want to show you a short example on how does it look like in reality when you have two ad groups combined in under one campaign and what are the consequences to that. First of all, there are some options that are only available on a campaign level. So the biggest one obviously is placement adjustments. You can only set placement adjustments at the campaign level. So whatever you do on the campaign level, it affects all the ad groups inside. So you have 10 ad groups, and inside each of ad group you may have 10 different keywords or more. Then whatever you do on a campaign level, it affects all the structure beneath that, obviously. So here you can see placement adjustments before this campaign was properly structured. So this is the campaign with two ad groups and multiple keywords inside. This was previous month, and you can see that here the spend is more or less evenly distributed between each of the placements. So top of search, rest of search, and product pages. And not only that, but even orders. Okay, there are least number of orders are coming to the top of search, but conversion rate is more or less the same, and we see that rest of search is having even better conversion rate than top of search and rest of search. The overall ACoS is 32%, and here's the breakdown of the ACoS between the different placements. And then you will see what is the data telling us when we started to have good campaign structure. So this is with two ad groups inside, and this is the data, and then this is the new structure, only single ad group. And you will immediately see a lot of optimization opportunities here. We now see that top of search is actually having the least spend, so only $1,000 out of 4,700. We now see that top of search actually has almost 20% of conversion rate, while the rest of search is at 15% and product display pages at 11%. And look at the breakdown of the ad spend. Now we see the reality. Product pages is taking 2.5K of ad spend. So more than 50% of ad spend is going through to the product pages, where we have the lowest conversion rate and highest ACoS. So we are losing money on this campaign simply because we are spending it towards the lowest performing placement. So once again, before the split, the distribution was between two ad groups and multiple keywords, and we couldn't properly see the breakdown of the placements and couldn't optimize that much, or we could even make wrong assumptions and optimize maybe towards the rest of search, that the rest of search should have majority of the traffic because of the conversion rate and the ACoS. But then when we actually split the campaign into two ad groups and started gathering the real data, we saw that top of search is killing it with the click-through rate, absolutely killing it with the conversion rate and the best possible ACoS that brings the best margin for this account. So this is a perfect example. That's why I wanted to share it with you. So it's not just theory. These things happen, and this is only a single campaign that's only spending like around 5K in 10 days. So imagine if you do this on multiple campaigns over the period of 1 year, that's easily tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars more in sales. Stay tuned for more videos to come, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.